Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, hi, good
Hi,
evening.
Priya.
Thank you for taking this call.
Oh, no worries. So, what are you wanting? Tell me, what is your requirement?
Basically, I want my kid who is going to be in eighth grade to have a good hand on maths. Uh, he is good at maths. He's scoring 98, 99 percentile already. So I want him to learn geometry
Geometry.
and algebra. Yes. So he'll
Okay,
have algebra
what is he
one.
learning in school?
Yeah, you can. Do you want to talk to him right now?
Would be nice.
Yeah. His name is Darsh, and he's
Hi,
in seventh
Darsh.
grade right now.
Good. Um,
What are you learning in math at school?
so we just finished a unit about circles. So we were doing like volume of spheres, volume of cylinder, area of circles. We just finished that unit, and we always have unit tests at the end of each unit topic. So right now we didn't have a unit test, but we're learning about system equations to graph slope.
In geometry?
No, that's the slope. It's like algebra, I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
No, I'm so confused now. So, you're learning algebra 1 or geometry at school?
No, it's just a math seventh grade honors class, so it's kind of mixed. So it's half of seventh grade math and whole of eighth
8th
grade math.
grade math. Okay, got it. So next year you're going to learn algebra 1, is it?
Yes.
I see. Okay. So, um, your mom said that you want to study geometry, right?
Yes.
Have you studied algebra 1 already?
Not much, but I know a little bit about algebra.
You know a little bit about algebra 1. Okay. Have you worked on quadratics already?
No, we haven't done that in school.
Yeah, not at school, Emma, but do you know quadratics?
No.
Okay. Would you be able to solve radicals?
Maybe if I like master it.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Meaning, so you have not studied algebra 1 at school. You want to join geometry, correct?
Yes.
Okay, but this is the fag end of school, right?
What?
This is the end of school year, right?
Yes.
Seventh grade.
Yes.
Okay, is your mom as well there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, I have a question to you. He has not done algebra 1 in school. He wants to do geometry. Geometry does require some pieces of algebra 1 as well,
Yeah, yeah,
right? I
yeah.
feel there is a big gap, right?
Um, But basically, I want for him is like once he start algebra one in school, I want him to start geometry as well alongside with you.
Yeah, that makes sense. So he can CBE geometry you're thinking, right?
Like, yeah, I want him to learn geometry by end of the eighth grade. That so that should not fall behind his peers. My game.
Yeah, and he can accelerate is what you're thinking, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. So that that should be possible. But the thing is, he has to. Meaning, there will be some concepts like, see, for Johan, it's not a problem because he did AOPS pre-algebra with me.
Yes. So that's what I'm saying. The you start with the pre-algebra first, and then we'll go with the geometry. Is that possible?
Is that possible? Mm, no, this boy doesn't need to study pre-algebra, right? Why? Uh, okay, no, no, no. Johan studied algebra with me. He
Hmm.
studied AOPS algebra with me, so that was not a problem for him to cope with geometry.
Okay, so we can start that like the way you are suggesting. So my goal for him by a end of the eighth grade. I want him to be like finished geometry. So in the ninth grade, he will not be doing the same thing again. He can opt for algebra 2 or geometry 2 something. I don't know exactly what subjects are, but once he's finished there, so he can start a different thing. So what I'm saying is he can do AOPS and learn algebra 1 from you, and then once he's excel in algebra 1 while he's learning in the school as well, so he's fine there. I'm not even thinking about the school right now because they go with a very slow pace. So here with you, he will be excelling in algebra 1, and then he will start geometry by middle of the 8th grade. That's the goal, like after 9 months. That's what
I
I'm
see,
thinking.
I see. Okay, okay. Let me ask you this as well. If he's not going to study AOPS algebra, do you, okay, one option for him is right off the bat. I have not asked him any questions or anything yet,
Hmm.
but I am thinking, can he study just geometry?
Yeah,
Why algebra 1? Do you really need extra instructions in algebra 1 if the school is going to take care?
I think school is going to
Yes,
take care.
sir.
Let's take that. You want to talk to him?
Yeah, but the only thing is, he will study algebra 1 in school and geometry with me.
Hmm.
So a little bit of extra effort is required. Do you see the problem
Oh,
there?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I get it. I made them well aware that once you join these classes, you need to be like finishing the homework. You will be bombarding with the homework, and you will do extra work,
Yes.
right?
So
Yeah,
what will happen is, see, one solution does not fit all. I don't mind asking him questions and understanding whether he'll fit into AOPS
yes,
algebra.
yes.
Okay, if he fits in, he's more than welcome to join. Okay, that AOPS algebra, the current class has completed 2 units of the algebra book already.
Mm-hmm.
I have a good group on that, so I already started with them. Meaning, I finished pre-algebra AOPS with them, and then I started AOPS algebra already. The
Okay.
group is already 2 units done. Okay, one thing is, okay, let's go over some questions and then we'll decide, rather than pre
What we can do is
conclude.
like I'm sorry to interrupt you.
No, don't.
Bhavi send me your Google form where you have the list of courses with you.
Classes.
So she has this AOPS Algebra 1 and then Advanced Geometry. So let's see.
Correct. That will work perfectly for a CBE. If he wants to write the acceleration exam, the two choices will really work.
Yeah.
But with this boy, are we ready to take up AOPS algebra? I don't know.
What do you suggest? What do you
Uh,
suggest? See, I am blank. That's
uh,
why I wanted to talk to a teacher who can guide me.
uh.
Where, like, how should I guide
See, okay,
him?
this is how it went for Divya. The way we did was, when I talked to Johan, I was really able to think, I was really of the opinion that he can get going with AOPS algebra book.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it was very good and it turned out to be good. He did AOPS algebra and then did geometry advanced in parallel. He didn't do AOPS geometry because it's too heavy on the kid.
Mm-hmm.
So we did it like that. Now he's going to CBE. Positively, he'll pass, we'll say.
That's good.
Okay.
That is my aim as well. And he
Yeah.
will be finishing his eighth grade right now. He is 1 year elder to him. So I want to him be in the same pace where he can finish his geometry, and later in the year he can start the finish his algebra, and then finish his like start his
Geometry.
geometry by the time
Yeah. I have
by
a
the time he
question for you.
passes.
He is currently a 8th grader, huh?
He is currently seventh grader.
7th grader.
Yeah.
No, Johan is 1 year older than him, huh?
Yes. Johan will be ninth grade this year.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, so my only question is, let me go ahead and ask a couple of questions.
Yes.
1 second.
Yeah. He has not learned any.
Don't worry, don't prepare anything, I would say. I just want to know what he knows. It's not like a test or anything.
No, that's fine.
I just want to know whether he knows radicals and stuff. He clearly told me he doesn't know quadratics, which is good for me and him. So I just want to know, Ma, have you come across these? Let's see. Do you know how to simplify this?
This
If
would
you don't know,
be
you don't know. I just want to know what you know. That's all.
no. I don't know how to simplify square roots.
Simplify this. Okay.
Mm.
But Ma, is it not a part of grade 7 math? Think
No,
about it and tell how to simplify this radical.
the thing is that these in American schools we use calculators, so we don't really learn all this how to simplify square roots.
But not really, right? In grade 7 start, you have to simplify this without using a calculator, right?
No,
No,
we don't do that.
you didn't do that. Okay, I see. I see.
I mean, maybe we might do that because it's not over of the school year, but it's
Uh-huh.
so
You
slow
do
now.
it at the start, Amma. How about this? Do you know how to do this? Okay, you have not worked much with radicals, am I right?
No.
Okay, suppose if I give you this, right? What is the slope of this line? Do you know?
So it would be so with the graph, y-intercept would be 4. So it would be
Correct.
mx plus b. So 3/1. The change in y over the change in x.
Mm-hmm. So it is slope is 3, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, nice. So you know how to find the slope and y-intercept. That's great.
Yeah.
Um, have you gone through parallel perpendicular lines?
Yes, I know parallel lines.
Okay, I have this line. I have a parallel line to this. I have another parallel line M. Okay, that's parallel to this line. What is the slope of my line M? That's a little hard. It's not. It does
No,
not belong to seventh.
then we haven't learned. I thought you were talking about something else. Sorry.
No, it's okay. So this one is a little hard. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, whatever you've learned, I know. Whatever you've not learned, I know. So that's okay. Okay. So that is one thing. Quadratics. Have you come across these? Have you come across these?
Mm.
Not really. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay, so you know you have studied transformations. How good are you with
Yes,
transformations?
yes. Transformations. Yes,
You have studied transformations.
yes.
Okay, can I ask you a couple of questions on that? Let me see. I have the point 3 comma 4.
Yeah.
Okay, I dilate it by factor of 3. Okay, around the origin. Okay, what will be,
Be
let's
nine
say this is
over 12.
A. What is A dash?
There, A would be 9,
It's a,
and B would be 12.
okay, it's a coordinate point. Good job. Okay, so whatever they've taught in school, you seem to be very clear, right?
Yeah,
How about this? This is a cylinder.
yeah.
The height is, this is a straightforward question, okay? This is going to be 4. What is the volume of this?
So it'll be so the radius is 4.
Radius is 4, 4 units.
Okay.
Just tell me this, Darsh. Don't worry about not knowing. What do you do for this? You go by formulas or what do you do?
Yeah, we go by formulas. We usually have a formula sheet.
Don't remember the
Okay,
formula?
that's what I want to know. How do you go about this? You don't need to memorize formulas for all these. There is another way to really understand it conceptually and do it without any formula sheet.
Yeah, we don't
Okay,
have practice really
like
doing.
that. Okay, I got it. I hear you. Okay, so I touched upon 3D. Okay, how about, have you studied stem and leaf plots?
Yeah,
Have you studied about inferences,
inferences. No,
variability,
not much.
skew?
Skew plots.
Uh,
Yes.
okay, I have a stem and leaf plot like this. Okay, tell me whether it is skewed or symmetric.
Okay.
Do you know?
This is skewed because it's more towards the left.
Uh-huh. So what is it? What skew it is? Left skew or right skew?
It's skewed right.
Skewed right. Good job. Um, okay. Which quarter is the least clustered? Which quarter is the least clustered?
Clustered.
Clustered. I'll tell you, okay? So, this part is 25% of the data. Do you know that? This part is 25% of the data, this part is 25% of the data, this part is 25% of the data. Make sense?
Yeah.
So, okay, so the 25% of the entire data set is spread across this, is spread across this, is spread across this, is spread across this.
Okay.
So, which is least clustered? What is clustered? Crowded. So, which is least clustered?
The big one. The one with
Exactly. You
the
got it?
yeah.
The fourth quarter. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, that's good. How about this? 3 by 4 divided by 4 by 3. What is the answer?
One.
How do you know?
Because the fractions are inverted.
But it's division, right? I did not ask you for multiplication.
It's because
3 by 4, you change it to multiplication. What do you do with this?
it would be 3/4.
Yeah, then how would it be 1? So, what is the answer? You got it. What is the answer? 9 by 16, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now, okay, fraction, you might have come. Okay, do you know the real number system?
Yes.
You know. Okay, good.
It
What?
like it's the one with natural numbers, whole numbers, integers.
Correct, 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 correct. It is the one with this circles and then,
Yes. Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So now, what is 1 by 17? Do you know what type of a number is 1 by 17?
Rational
Good job. Why?
because it's a fraction.
Very nice.
That's not. It's not integer because it's not a whole number. It's not
Uh-huh. Okay.
rational.
Great. Mm. How good are you with solving equations, Amma?
Which type of equations? MDOS type?
Hmm?
Which type of equations?
This one.
Oh, okay. So it'd
Do you think
be
you can solve?
yes. Oh, yes. I think I can.
Mm-hmm. Try. Yeah, tell me.
I think it's like a. So it would be. I would cancel out the four. I would do four minus four. So, from the three, I would minus four.
Let me make it easier for you. How about this? You know how to solve this? Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Yeah.
I didn't mean to give this much. Sorry, sorry. Wait. I meant to give you this. 4 minus x will be equal to 3. You know how to solve this?
Yeah.
It's easy, right?
X would be one.
Good. That's easy. Okay. Now, suppose if I give you x greater than 5. On a number line, do you know how to plot this?
Yeah, you would just put it everywhere. You would put it on one, two, three, or five, or four.
Do you want to draw it on the board and show me quick? How do you represent it on the number line? X greater than 5.
How could you draw there? So x greater than five
Uh huh.
would mean that the value of x is greater than five. So that should be there's not infinite number of solutions, but everything after five.
But
would be
do you
interesting.
want to mark it? I want to see how you do it.
My mom's getting a pen and paper.
Yeah, you know, you can just mark it directly with your mouse. You can mark it on the board directly. It should not be a problem for you.
Oh wait,
Yeah, yeah,
like that?
yeah. You
Oh okay.
got it. Good job. Mm.
So I'm pretty sure it would be because x is greater than 5.
Uh huh.
It would probably be this and on.
Will you do this or will you do this?
You already got it. Oh, it would be. I'll fill it in.
Why would you fill it in? There is no equal to sign, right?
Not fill it in. My bad.
You will
I meant
not fill it in. Okay,
yeah,
got it.
because there's no.
Okay, okay. Now, you have any questions for me?
Uh, so the thing is that in school we don't really. The thing is that with these schools we don't have to memorize formulas because we always they
Yeah,
all
that's okay. Don't worry. You are always provided with the cheat sheet, and in SAT
yeah
you're allowed to use a calculator as well. So I
yeah
have no problem on that. Okay.
yeah. That's why I wasn't able to
Oh,
answer that.
don't worry about it. But you did well on whatever you are being taught. Did you see that?
Yeah
Whatever is taught at school, you're too good at. That's what I'm saying. Did you see that?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can I talk to your mom as well?
Yes, for
Yeah,
sure.
I'm here.
Okay. So Priyanka, for him, definitely he requires, basically, he has to be taught algebra 1 and geometry.
Hmm.
Okay, one option is let's not get to AOPS algebra.
Okay.
Okay, it will be tough on him unless he does AOPS pre-algebra. Okay,
Okay.
he does not need AOPS pre-algebra now. Okay, let's do the best out of the time as well. Um, I'll give you the options. You choose. Okay.
Okay.
Why do you want to join right away? Is there any reason?
Summer break is coming. I want them to be involved somewhere.
Engaged. Yes. See, for me, it's not like whatever is good for the kid, I'll suggest. He doesn't have to come now, I feel. Let's
Okay.
see. I'll give you the options. You're going to choose, okay? If he comes in now, there is a seventh grade, eighth grade group, meaning the group that works on seventh grade, eighth grade standards of Texas. So there is a group that does it, but in that group I'm almost done. Usually the fourth session starts for me on Monday, okay?
Mm-hmm.
This
Mm-hmm.
Monday. What we'll do is we will revise for star a little bit, but then I will not waste too much time. I'll just be moving to algebra 1 basics.
Okay.
Okay, that group, because next year they are going to learn algebra 1. Okay, but that will happen after 2 3 weeks.
Hmm.
You got it? Of a
Understood.
9 week
Yeah.
course. So
Okay.
that being the case, one option for him is to directly join that. Automatically, see, that's where you need to decide, okay? The other option is,
Wait, what?
so this group basically will go and study algebra 1 advanced, not the
Okay.
AOPS algebra.
Mm-hmm.
But
What's the,
they
okay.
will I'll tell you the difference as well, but they'll continue with AOPS algebra, they'll continue with advanced algebra that's being taught in school,
Mm-hmm.
in school during the school year. You got it?
Yeah.
Parallelly there is geometry.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that
Mm-hmm.
said, one another option is you can wait it out. You don't have to study algebra 1, but I want you to get prepared on some of the topics and come in June for geometry.
Okay. What could be
But
those
what will
topics?
be the disadvantage?
Mm-hmm.
There are some topics that come from algebra 1 to geometry.
Basically, you are saying that fundamentals should be cleared and then you jump to other one, right?
Yeah, but I can list out. See, absolutely, it's not that he has to study with me for me. Okay, you choose. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
thing is, I can list out some of the topics that are really required. You can work with them on those topics and come back in for geometry to just join in June. That
Okay.
is one option. Okay, or if he comes now, right, in the G7 8 group, we are going to revise for, I'm saying, right, we are going to do some review. They will attend some assessments and then we'll go to I think the last part is pending for that group. Last unit of whatever the curriculum I need to cover, and after that we'll go to algebra one. I'm saying, right. I will
Hmm.
get him started with doing equations. He can attend that and come to geometry in June.
Okay.
Okay. The third option is he can attend that, do algebra one advanced classes, parallelly do geometry.
Okay.
Anything works, okay, meaning from the lowest to the highest I've gone, meaning
No, I have no idea how he, like, where, because you are
where
the
he is.
professor, you know how
Okay,
well
yeah,
he's going.
from what I discussed with him, right, he's very what is taught in school he knows.
Hmm. Out of the school,
He
nothing.
has not
Yeah,
studied
that's
anything.
what I'm saying. That he needs to know what is not being like taught in the school. So I don't want him to be, overburdened. But I want him to give us steady growth.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. So
Yeah.
being a teacher, you know well, and you have already assessed him. So you tell me what could be the best option for him, so it will not be an overburden on him, and simultaneously he will learn uh, geometry as well.
um
Yeah.
let he can continue G78. Okay, he'll get used to the classes at my end. If you ask me, for him, he can continue G78. We will branch into algebra 1. He will understand the basics of solving equations and radicals for sure.
Hmm.
Okay, because that's what I will cover during the end of the year for those kids.
Do you have any new batch coming up where he can join from fresh?
Yes, uh-huh. Wait. He's studying G78. You see, he's studying at school, right? That same group I'm saying. It's not anything new.
Oh, okay.
But this same group, when they resume the summer classes, we finish our classes on May 22.
Okay.
We start our new classes on June first week or second week.
Okay.
There's a break of 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Same group will get going with algebra 1.
Okay.
But if he doesn't want to do algebra 1 with me, no problem, he can do geometry.
So will if he does not do algebra 1 with you, can he learn geometry from you?
Yes, he can
Okay.
learn, but there and here he'll have to skip and come and relearn.
I didn't get you. There was a
See,
voice
some of the
breaking.
topics will be, let me tell you, in algebra they study equations of parallel perpendicular lines. This
Mm-hmm.
is one topic, okay. Again, the same thing is covered in geometry. So you
Okay.
tell me, if the kid is new to geometry and if the kid who studied algebra 1 comes to the geometry class, what would happen?
Yeah, the kid who is learning already algebra 1 has the concept clear of geometry, right?
Ama.
Yeah.
So naturally, this kid may not understand a little bit, but
Mm.
then if he puts in his effort at home, going over this extra material, then it should be easy for him. Otherwise, if he is not a kid that will do all this stuff by himself at home, please better attend algebra as well. You see what I mean?
Yeah, I'm getting. So he can do extra effort, right?
He,
Asking you. So the question for me as
the,
well
you don't
is,
have to decide now. You absolutely don't have to decide now. You can decide and tell me in June. Okay,
okay,
for him, whether to continue with algebra 1 or geometry, it's left to you. You get it? I have.
yeah. So he's gonna learn algebra 1 in the school. And the kind of algebra, you are saying that you will be teaching him advanced algebra, right?
Yes, advanced algebra means the one that he's going to learn at school.
Okay.
Why
So,
not AOPS algebra?
yeah, why not A ops
One
algebra?
minute, wait. I don't know why this kid is coming to class. 1 second, please. Hello, Krish.
Hi.
We don't have class today, right?
Okay. I just was
Remember?
making sure.
Yeah,
I
sure. I'm
don't.
glad.
Okay.
Good job
Thank
you're
you.
making sure.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, have a nice break.
You too.
Yeah,
Bye.
see you next week.
Mhm.
Bye. Hmm. Tell me, yeah. So, no pressure, but honestly, one thing I want to say frankly to you is, I cannot take him into AOPS algebra. It is very hard. He'll find it tough.
Since he
Oh,
does not have any concept clear in algebra, right? Putting
pre-algebra.
him, yeah, putting him there will be hard on him,
The
definitely.
curriculum is hard. The
Hmm.
AOPS algebra curriculum is hard, and you see, I don't want to throw him in the ocean and make him suffer.
No, 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 no. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That I don't want to throw him there as well. So
Ah.
maybe he can join later. Like whenever he's in middle of the eighth grade, he can join A of algebra there once you assess him, right?
In between, can he come? It is hard, Amma. I don't know whether you've seen Johan's book.
I
Have you
have
seen
seen.
the Apps Algebra book? It is a
Yeah.
little tricky. So coming in between is hard. Better join from the start to the end. But again, the curriculum that is being done in school, right? The advanced algebra that is being done in school is much, much lower in intensity compared to AOPS algebra book.
Hmm.
Okay, but if you have not been doing EOPS, I would suggest this path. It's no less, meaning just do the advanced algebra in school. You will be good for geometry, advanced geometry. You will be very good for the advanced algebra too as well, that is being taught in school.
Okay. So
That is
what if
also a nice path.
he wants to write that CB exam you're telling me? Will he be ready?
Yeah.
So
He'll be
yeah,
very ready.
that is the main goal.
Yeah. Be very much ready. You see
Okay.
what I mean, no? So
Yes.
our options now are, when do you want to come in, by the way? When are you looking to come in?
Whenever you start a new batch or whenever he's ready to join you, whenever you think that you can accommodate him.
Okay, see, these are the options. He can come, the G7-8 class is there, right? That is covering whatever he's doing in school, advanced grade 7 class, which does grade 8 as well, right?
Okay.
That is an ongoing class, and that they are what I do in the fourth session of the year. Fourth session means the last session of the year. This is till May,
Mm-hmm.
right? During that time, what I do, we will revise for star, whatever we'll practice, then we'll move on to algebra 1 basic concepts. I want every kid to be very good with solving equations, okay, finding slope, intercept, and all. He's doing it well already. So I want him to be able to solve equations in a better way than what
Okay.
he's currently now.
Okay.
Similarly, the kid has to be good with radical operations when they come to algebra
Mm-hmm.
1 for me. So,
Solving the square roots and cube roots as well.
yes,
I can
basic
teach him.
addition,
Yeah.
subtraction, multiplication, division.
Yes, I can teach that him
So,
till.
like that, there are quadratics. I cannot teach him for sure, because just because he has to go to geometry, I cannot teach him quadratics because it's hard. Only when they complete algebra 1, he can finish quadratics.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to teach him, then come back in June. He can just join geometry or both algebra 1 and geometry.
Okay.
The other option is come for grade 7 8 class. What I would do is I would go ahead and go over the basics that are needed to get started with algebra 1 in the last 7 weeks. We have a
Okay.
9-week session.
Hmm.
You get it?
Yeah, kind of. I'm
Okay.
confused.
So do you want me to suggest more on
Yes,
this?
I want you to suggest me what is the best for him. I want him to learn geometry by the time of by he finished the eighth grade and be ready for the CV exam.
Then come back in June, Amma.
Okay. So
One,
in
okay,
June,
from my end, let me tell you frankly, the class is really full, that grade 7 8. So why
hmm,
don't you do it with
yes,
him? I feel like you prefer doing it with him as well. From my end as well, the class is really full. Let him come
yes,
in June. That time
yes,
everything is fresh.
yes. That's what I'm saying. A fresh start with a fresh new batch. So you also know every kid, like you know them personally. You know their level. So you will not
Yes.
have to, juggle with the advanced kid and the lower kid. Not like that. So
So he
June is
can
the
come in
best.
June.
Yes, June. So in June, you're saying that I should enroll him in advanced geometry.
Advanced geometry.
Yes. So
If you
let's.
want, do both algebra 1 and geometry.
Okay. We
That
can.
is left to you. You can decide at that time. There is no pressure, absolutely.
So, uh, okay. I have the conclusion is advanced geometry and advanced algebra one. Okay, these two classes. I want to know more about what is AOPS Algebra 1, and if he performs well in your classes, will he be able to, when you start a new batch for AOPS, will he be able to join it later in eighth grade, like in December or January this year, next year, January, something like that?
Viably, practically talking, no. Why? I'll tell you. I have a group, meaning I don't want you to come and feel like why did I not do that. I just started a group, meaning the pre-algebra kids, that whoever did AOPS algebra, we started 2 3 weeks back. The algebra group that goes for 1 full year.
Okay, one full year. Okay.
Yes, the curriculum is really, what to say, it is intense, so they really need that time. You see
Okay.
what I mean? So I'll go through
Yes.
this syllabus with these kids till December or January for sure.
Mm.
So when will he join? You tell me.
June.
June la. See, he lose a little bit, amma. He lose a part of algebra one, right? So it is difficult for me to get him to AOPS algebra one.
No, 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 no. I'm not asking him to join join
Yeah,
the
yeah. He
institute.
can join advanced algebra one
Yeah.
with me in June. That is very good.
Yeah. So, for who, like, AOPS algebra is for whom?
The kids that completed AOPS pre-algebra, it will be easy for them to catch up.
Oh, that's okay. So
That
that's
is
what I'm.
another 1 year course, and he doesn't need to do AOPS pre-algebra.
Okay, he does not need to do it. Who
It's
needs it? Like, why it is needed? Why it is there?
oh, it is a very good foundational math. It is
That's
very good foundation for math.
so.
You see,
By the time, so if he can join, look now. So, whenever he will be ninth grade, can he start with AOPS algebra one?
why he would have finished algebra one at school? Why he doesn't have to? You see, don't
Okay,
worry
then
about
he
it.
doesn't have to. Okay, okay. So we
Yeah.
will go with advanced geometry and advanced algebra 1 in June.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Meaning each of us are different, right?
Hmm.
Apple and orange cannot can
Yeah.
yeah. So it's
Yeah.
like that. You see, apple can be an apple, orange can be an orange, and orange
Okay.
is valuable for it. So it's like that.
Okay. I have another one.
Oh
Kid.
yeah, 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 yeah. Your second kid. 1 minute, I told a parent that I'll call her.
Still.
Yeah, go ahead.
So he is in second grade
Hmm.
and very naughty. I
Hmm.
cannot ask him to sit with me to study. So
Okay.
my elder one is very obedient and is very naughty. I can see your picture, sorry, a screen here. Can you see us? Hey,
Bro,
Yeah. So the second grader, right? Is he advanced? Does he go for classes or anything?
you just
nothing,
press that.
nothing. He does not go anywhere. So he's right besides me.
Hi.
Sitting next to
What is
me.
his name?
His name is Ayan.
Hi.
Hi, Ayan. How are you?
Good.
What do you do in school?
We we learn.
You do this? Do you do this?
No, that's way too easy. We do digit
Oh,
math. Oh, that's
answer,
four. Oh,
Mentally quickly.
answer.
no, it's not easy. That's 70.
Good job. How about this?
48 plus.
Do you think you can do this mentally?
No, I have to do on a piece of paper.
Do you
I
do
need to.
like this? Wait, wait, wait. Do you do like this or what?
We do that,
You do
but
this?
we do two numbers, then we do the other two. I'll
Ah,
show
so okay, I got it. I got it. So you do this,
Patches.
and then to that answer you just add 92, and
you.
then
Yeah,
you add 40. Yeah, I
yeah.
got it. I got it. How about
Then what?
okay. Do you know what is this?
3 times 2 is 6.
How about this? Do you know mentally?
3 times 14.
I know, I know. 42.
Good job. How did you do that?
First, I so there's a 3. You have to do 10. Like you take away the 4 and then add the 0. So
Wow,
that's
who
10.
taught you that? Who taught you that?
I'd always do it by myself.
Your teacher taught you that.
No, we don't do times in school.
Okay.
Yeah, that's true,
So
right? You don't do times in school. What he says is true.
no,
Okay.
His elder brother taught him
no, little bit. Yeah,
little bit.
yeah, a little bit.
How
20
about this?
division is 24 divided by 3. I don't know that.
Try
Ah, okay.
What is division?
dividing
Division is 3
in,
times what is 24.
in
The
one
Yes,
side.
opposite. 3 times what is 24.
3 times.
3 times what is 24.
We're doing it like doing it correct.
This being like 15.
Let me do one thing for him, okay? For him, I don't want him to send to come now, but I will create a group that is prospective 2026 let me see. Let me do one thing. Maybe I'll add a new group. I will add you in here. Did you get it?
The answer is
Good, 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 good. That's nice. Okay. So for him, right? Honestly, Priyanka, I don't have a class right now.
Okay.
But usually I start new fresh batches in June.
That's fine. I'm perfectly fine. I just wanted to know the level there. I know his.
He's doing it well. I can take him in that accelerated group.
Okay. So
Accelerated
let's
group, na, yeah, that is a fast, meaning that's that group will automatically write the acceleration exam by the end of fifth grade.
awesome. So both of them start in June.
Yeah, please. For him,
Yes.
definitely yes. If I start a group, definitely he can join there.
So which group you're asking? Like the screenshot Bhavi shared with me that is has
G3 Beast.
G3 Beast. Yeah, G3 Beast.
Yes.
Yeah, Sunday 3. Awesome. So he's good for G3 Beast, and that will be in advanced geometry and advanced algebra 1. Right? There are three courses.
Advanced geometry and advanced algebra 1. Let's decide. Okay, 2 classes. I don't want to overwhelm a new kid as well. See, Johan, for some reason, it worked for him.
Okay.
A new kid, I don't want to him to feel overwhelmed. So let's see. If it works, he can join both. Otherwise, he can join geometry.
Okay, so let's start with advanced geometry. Okay.
Yes, yes, but there will be problems because of that, because he's not doing algebra 1. Geometry is totally separate, okay? I'll have to accept that it is separate.
Yes,
But
yes. I have
there
studied
are
in
some topics that they learn in algebra 1 that carry
yes,
over to geometry.
yes, yes. So like he will be learning algebra 1 in school, but in June he's starting geometry. So when his concept in algebra is not clear, and when there is a concept of algebra in geometry, you will make him understand, you will explain it, he will work on it later. That's what I can say.
Correct. I can tell him the topics. You see, those kids that come will already know. We can review it, okay? But I won't be able to reteach everything in solving
No, no, no,
equations and stuff.
not reteaching. So what should I do? Like I'm still you
Okay.
are saying that, yeah.
Working with radicals is one.
Okay, working with
Okay,
that.
addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And then finding equations of parallel perpendicular lines is another.
You're listening. You need to listen. So I my
Being able to solve equations well is another.
Mama, I'm hungry.
Equations.
You're writing it down, or I can send that to you.
Oh, yes, please send it to me.
That way, you have a record of what needs to be done.
Yes, yes. So he
Okay.
needs to be prepared. Shh.
Should I give permission? Maybe I should take algebra class, and then later, when I feel comfortable, then I can switch.
Darsh is saying that no, geometry you need to learn.
He said switch.
Okay. I've sent you some topics. Got it?
So, yeah, I didn't get it yet. Yes, solving question. So, your one group which is learning G7 8, right?
Yeah.
Uh, so if I enroll him there for like 2 3 months till June, will he be able to catch up and then start geometry there? Will
Yes, he will be able to do the first two of the topics, but solving quadratics will not be done.
so
Okay, you
how
see, meaning quadratics is a problem. Quadratics comes only at the end of algebra 1.
okay.
Okay, honestly, it's not possible to. Quadratics is a big unit. You see what I mean? Only when they understand some basic algebra, then they can go to quadratics. That we will not get that done in the fourth session. We will do solving an equation, yes, and operation with radicals, yes.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, solving quadratics is a gap if he just wants to take geometry. It's always the case for every kid. What they do is they skip those problems, come back and learn.
Okay. So starting him with advanced geometry is a good option, you're saying.
It is still a good option because there's no other see, whatever is best for you, I'm suggesting. You see what I mean now? With the scenario that you are coming in,
Hmm.
I try to help you with the best option.
Yeah. The thing is, he's not in GT, so
No
but
worry
he's
about it.
so other students have already learned, which are in seventh grade right now. They have learned algebra 1, right? So that's why he's lagging behind, just because of not being GT. He there was
See, not being in GT and not being in GT doesn't correlate with being in algebra 1 in 7th grade.
Wait, can I speak?
sit down.
Yeah.
So what are in our school, the I think in fifth grade actually they had a test
Correct.
for.
You're right. That's what differentiates you.
I was never given. My mom never got an
It's
email.
okay, it's okay, it's okay. Your parent did not know. It's okay. I was one like that. Don't worry about it. There's always space and time when you do geometry. So compensate it in geometry.
GT and accelerate. So it's called accelerated math.
She was
GT and
Correct, correct,
accelerated math
correct,
are
correct.
not correlated.
I got it, I got it. And that's what I'm saying. Your brother will be able to do that by the end of 5th grade, I told.
Okay.
You got it? That's where you missed it. That's okay. Doesn't matter at all one bit. Now you're more mature to handle things.
Okay.
You can do that in geometry.
Okay. So we'll start with geometry, and
But you're
and
absolutely right with the thing. Yes, that only created that 1 year of difference. It's okay. Doesn't matter.
okay. So the topic you shared with me. Do you suggest any good book, or I will just Google it and start teaching him?
Google it out. See, just do this. Okay, go to this website and then
Mm.
search for these topics. Learn.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, that should be easy for you. And then come
And,
in June.
yeah. From June onwards only for both of them.
Yeah.
So so one class for advanced geometry for Darsh, June, and then one class for G for him, Beast, for
Yes.
in June. All right. And then we'll see how it goes for further, and then we'll decide later if he's catching up fast. And you can tell, a teacher can tell, so you can suggest later. So that will be fun.
Absolutely. Yes.
Yes, yes, that would be great. All I want him to be ready for the CB test, which will happen in the end of the eighth grade. So I have already heard about the CB test. Do you know? Like obviously, you know what is exactly that? Like why it is taken, and what are the pros and cons of this test?
See, you'll be able to do more math in high school. That's all.
Oh, okay,
You'll be able to
okay,
do more math in high school. That's the only advantage.
okay. So that CB test is just to test students' literacy in maths, right? Okay. So you are saying that by end of the eighth grade with your classes, he will be ready to take the test and will pass.
Correct.
It depends on like how he practices because maths is all about practice.
Correct.
Okay. All
Next
right.
time,
So
yeah.
I
Good
will do
talking today.
that. Solving any equation even with the distribution, solving an operations with radicals, and solving
Yep.
quadratics.
Yep.
Take care. I'll do that. Uh, okay.
Okay,
Uh,
if I remember of any, I may add one more. I think I don't remember on top of my head, but I can check and add.
yeah, you just ping
I
me and
always tell four topics. I don't remember the fourth one.
okay.
Yeah.
So algebra one he will be learning in school, and later on we can start algebra one as well later.
Join, if you want to do, join in June. That's a fresh batch.
So let's start join with June as well for algebra one and
Yes.
geometry.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll start algebra one and advanced geometry
Yes,
in
correct.
June for Darsh, and with the Ayan there is only one class.
Yes. G3 beast. That
Oh,
automatically he'll accelerate by end of fifth grade. If
that's
he doesn't fit in, I'll let him be go out by end of summer. If he doesn't fit in, if he gets overwhelmed, those kids, right? Those are small kids. I want them to like and do.
yeah, and he likes maths.
Yeah, that's what I see. That's why I am very sure he can come into that.
I have never taught him anything.
He's
He
doing
never
it well.
says to me. He learned reading, writing by himself. So,
I can
but
see.
he is very naughty. He is the obedient one. So that's why I wanted someone to like,
Good to see both the boys though.
yes. So there's a 4 years gap between them. We were
Ah,
in Kentucky, so he already passed the early kindergarten test there. But we moved from Kentucky to Texas, like when he finished his first grade. They did not accept that he has to start.
I hear you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I hear you. Mm.
So let's start with Darsh, advanced geometry and algebra one in June,
Yes.
and for Ayan, it's the beast one,
Great.
and yeah, and please let me know the charges and all. How are you? See,
I'll send the registration form to you.
okay,
Just do
so
one thing. Can you send me your email ID in WhatsApp?
yes, I will send you my email
Yep.
ID. Uh, so how many classes will be there in a week? One class for each
One.
subject.
Yeah.
One
One.
class for
Yeah.
each subject. Okay, and let me just give me 1 second. So you teach advanced geometry on Sundays and
Amma,
advanced
no,
algebra.
no, no, no. Please, please, please. It
I
will
can.
be subjected to change for June.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that is a fresh batch when I can define the
Yes,
days.
yes. This is a school year. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
get.
yeah.
So the subject these classes are how long? Like for how many
1 hour,
months?
1 hour. It will go a little beyond. Okay.
No, no, no. Lengthwise, like how many
Oh, it's
months?
nine weeks.
9 weeks. Okay, okay.
Approximately nine weeks. It's not set on
So
stone. Sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's 8.
so
November,
in
December, maybe 7.
Okay, so let's say let's take the biggest one. The 10 weeks they will be learning all advanced geometry.
No, 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 no.
Yes,
4 10 weeks are there. You see, summer is there, then 4 sessions are there in a year.
okay.
But just like school, nine weeks are there, right? You have 9 weeks, right?
Oh,
And a
okay, great.
separate summer session is as well there.
Yes. So
Okay,
it will
usually I complete it a little before, meaning by the third session, 3.5 sessions, it will be done. Meaning, summer, those who join in summer will be able to complete it sooner.
about January.
No, Jan, 3.5 sessions after the school start in
March.
June. It is like a March, April.
Okay,
It will
okay,
not go till May,
okay. And then they will be ready to take. And when is the CB test? The exam comes on
April.
April. Okay. I have no idea. I'm learning from where what I can hear about others from others.
Yeah, we'll see later. We have time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So let's
yeah,
start with
nice.
two.
Yep,
Yeah, for they're hungry now. He
nice
just
talking to you.
same here, same here. See, I a teacher only can tell what is best for the students and what is while assessing them. So I will not push them so hard.
Yes.
right? And you will get to know if the kid is learning fast or if the kid is
I-
learning good. You can suggest some other stuff as well,
I'll
right?
definitely keep you posted.
Yes, yes. So I don't want to be hard on him and hard on us as well. So that would be great. Let's talk about let's talk about it later for June the classes. Okay.
Absolutely. Okay.
Thank you
Have a
so
nice
much.
evening. Bye bye.
Too. Thank you so much.
No worries. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, boss.
Bye.
Bye. Nice talking to you both.
Bye
Ducks,
bye.
bye. Yes, bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye
Take
and
Let's
care.
bye.
say
Yeah,
bye.
that's okay. Bye. Bye.
Bye.